Is there really such thing as a tiny house that can be built in a day? Well, if you've ever wondered whether a tiny house can actually work for family, today we're going to show you one that completely changed our expectations. We recently had the opportunity to stay in this beautiful cabin, this tiny cabin, built by Lancaster Cabins. And honestly, we were impressed really from the moment we walked through the door. Things like the craftsmanship, the floor plan, the attention to detail, it made it feel much larger than its square footage might seem or suggest. Because tiny houses often look great in photos, but the real test is how they function when you're actually living in them. And after spending a couple days here, I came away appreciating just how much thought went into this design. One of the things that I was most curious about was whether it would actually work for our family. There's 6 of us, so I wasn't sure how comfortable we'd be. But after spending time here, I can honestly say it accommodated our entire family surprisingly well. Not perfect, but the space was laid out efficiently, and there was plenty of room to relax. It never really felt cramped the way I would expect a tiny house to feel. But one feature I appreciated was the placement of the bunk beds. So instead of feeling like they were squeezed into a corner or just like an afterthought, they were actually incorporated into the floor plan in a way that just makes sense. So they give kids their own dedicated sleeping space without taking away from the main living area. As a dad, I found myself thinking this is exactly where I would have put them. They feel tucked away enough to create a little privacy while still keeping everyone connected to the rest of the cabin. But the overall layout kind of reminded me of the old southern, shotgun houses. If you're familiar with those historic homes, they were designed to make the most of a narrow footprint by arranging the rooms kind of in a straight line from front to back. This cabin features, it kind of captures some of that same efficient thinking. The design kind of naturally guides you from one space to the next and because there's very few wasted hallways or awkward corners, every square foot serves a purpose. It feels open, but compact without really feeling super confined. But something that really caught my attention, the Lancaster Cabins doesn't just build beautiful cabins. They've developed a construction process that's insanely efficient. So many of their cabin shells can be assembled in less than a day inside their controlled factory environment. So they're out of the weather. There's no delays on the job site. And so much of the construction happens indoors where they can have this consistency and efficiency. And once the shell is completed, it's transported to the property where the remaining work can be finished and like the finishing out and everything. But that's pretty cool. It's a remarkable approach to building a home. And one of the things that I think really sets this company apart. But as someone who works in residential construction, I really appreciate that process because building in a controlled environment definitely can help minimize weather-related delays. But beyond the speed of construction, what stood out to us most was simply how comfortable this cabin felt. The kitchen was fully functional, the living area was inviting, and the bedrooms were kind of thoughtfully arranged. But I could easily see this serving as kind of like a weekend getaway for a family my size, not a full-time residence or anything, but it's one of those places that kind of feels cozy the moment you walk through the door. And we really enjoyed our stay here. We'd like to thank Lancaster Cabins for allowing our family to experience one of their cabins firsthand. But if you've ever been curious about tiny homes or have wondered whether one could actually work for your family, I hope this video gives some better ideas of what they feel like in a real world, not just in brochures or online photos, right? But thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let us know down in the comments. Could you see yourself living in a tiny house like this, either full-time or just on a vacation retreat? We'd love to hear your thoughts. We'll see you in the next video.